ผัดกะเพราอร่อยมาก Pad Gra Prow is the go-to dish for the Thai. It's a little bit like the burger or the spaghetti for us in the West, meaning it's the dish that you can order when you don't know what to order. It's the dish that you can cook when you don't know what to cook because you know that no matter what, it's going to be delicious. Meaning you can find this everywhere, in the north, in the south, in the east, in the west, as much as in simple street food stands to restaurants, right into people's homes. It's beloved by all, and as a matter of fact, a lot of Thai people would argue that this could be the national dish of Thailand. And no, I do not mean pad Thai, I mean Pad Gra Prow, or Holy Basil stir fry, and that's what we're gonna make today. Now, during my time living and traveling around Thailand, I really found that every Thai chef and every Thai mama really have their own way of making this dish. And so I wrote down a lot of different recipes, and I practiced, and I took the best parts of every one of them and I compiled them together into this one single, ultimate, super authentic Pad Gra Prow Holy Basil stir fry recipe, the one I'm going to share with you today. Let's get right into it.
สวัสดีครับ
To learn how to make this dish, I headed to northern Thailand on the outskirts of Chiang Mai to a famous eatery that has a reputation of serving one of the most delicious and spiciest Krapao Thai Basil chicken stir fries in the country. The name in Thai literally translates to basil shop for people who love to eat spicy food, or
ร้านกะเพราสำหรับคนชอบกินเผ็ด
The owner was super kind and let me into the kitchen so I could see how the magic is made. The result was well worth the trip. Very spicy, but absolutely mind-blowing. The dish was succulent and unlike any other I ever had anywhere else. And this is the recipe we're going to cook today. 3, 2, 1. Quick word on the basil that you need for this dish. It's a unique variety called Holy Basil or Krapao in Thai. And it's not easy to find, but it really packs a powerful peppery flavor. So if you can find it in some Asian grocery stores, definitely go for that one. It's not the same as Thai basil, which is a bit sweeter and has some undertones of anise or licorice. So ideally you need Holy Basil, Krapao, that's what the dish is called after all, Pad Krapao. If they don't have it, get Thai basil, and if all things fail, get it regular Italian basil. So let me know how this recipe worked out for you. Did you encounter any difficulties? Do you still have any questions? Or better yet, did you bring your own personal touches to the dish? Let me know in the comment section below. And definitely, if you found it helpful, make sure to give it a like. My goal with this channel is to share with you the many authentic and delicious recipes that I picked up during my world travels. So if you're interested in learning more on how to cook great exotic dishes from many different countries from around the world, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time.